Flu cases are skyrocketing in the Madison area. Officials say about 1,000 more cases this year compared to last year.
The most recent data from the CDC shows flu cases are high in 45 of 50 states. Wisconsin is among those. The red color indicates the highest level the CDC measures. Right now, hospitalizations and deaths are not as high at this point in the season nationally.
But Jennifer Cleese is digging deeper into the numbers in Wisconsin and concerns from health officials about the spike in cases this year.
Each week, we're continuing to see higher case numbers of influenza.
Public health officials say it's not over yet. Flu season is stronger than ever right now.
We are seeing high numbers of people being diagnosed with the flu, and we're seeing more people that are being hospitalized with this year with influenza.
That spike is especially big at UW Health, where about 600 patients have been treated for the flu, more than 4 times the number at this time last season, and more than 15 times as many children who have gotten the flu than the 2018-19 flu season.
Across the whole state, and actually across the whole entire United States, we're seeing high levels of flu activity.
1,525 people in Wisconsin have been in the hospital with the flu as of February 1st. 30 people have died in connection with the illness, only 1 child. Increased concerns about coronavirus after a diagnosed case here in Madison could be overshadowing what health officials say we should be focused on right now, stopping the spread of the flu.
And that should be our main concern right now as far as what's more likely for you or I to come across.
Dane County's immunization coordinator, Sarah Hughes, says it's not too late to protect yourself.
It's more important just to be more aware. So 1, to get your flu shot. 2, do all the other things to keep yourself healthy.
And if you do get sick, reach out to your doctor right away and think about those most vulnerable to the flu.
It's really important to protect the health of everyone in our community, that we do the best that we can to stay home, keep to ourselves until we're feeling better.
We checked in with the other hospitals in Madison. As of today, 51 people have been admitted to St. Mary's Hospital since early December, most of those in January, a dozen in just the past week, and that's higher than last year, too.